Hello, this is Nazia from Back to Health, and I am here to talk to you about beets. Beets are a superfood, y'all. It contains lots of goodness. It has fiber. It contains vitamins like vitamin C and B6. It contains antioxidants such as betalains. Betalains specifically are amazing. These antioxidants help in a whole bunch of ways. It can improve your muscle function. It can help with your cognitive function. It can improve your blood pressure. It's good for your heart health and for your gut health. It can reduce inflammation. And generalized inflammation, as you know, is and can be the root cause of many chronic conditions. So let's figure out how to process this beet. I will show you a quick and easy way of processing beets and keeping them handy in your kitchen using my handy dandy Instant Pot. So the first step in processing this beet is to weigh it. Why weigh it? Because I'm going to pressure steam this in the Instant Pot. And depending on the weight, that's how long I pressure steam it for. So this is the biggest beet of the two beets I have. So I'm just going to stick it on my scale here. And it says 372 grams. And the calculation I use, which we're also going to post below, is grams, the measurement of grams of the beet. Of the heaviest beet that you have divided by 10, and that is how many minutes you put it in the Instant Pot. So for us right now, it is 372 grams divided by 10. I'm going to put it in the Instant Pot for 37 minutes. I've had much smaller beets I've used before, and I've only had to stick them in the Instant Pot for 9 or 15 minutes. So for this beet, 37 minutes. So here is my Instant Pot. I have a cup of water at the bottom, and I have my rack. I have my 2 washed beets. I'm just going to stick in here. Then I'm going to put the lid on. And I'm going to pressure steam it. And I'm going to do it for 37 minutes. Because once again, this beet, the heaviest one, was 370 grams. Then I'm going to let it go. And I'll let you know what the results show. So I'm taking out the beets now. They're ready to go. Hot, you can use tongs, but I'm just going to grab these real quick. And here you go. These are ready for me to process. Pressure steamed in the Instant Pot. Nicely cooked, pressure steamed beets. This is my favorite part. Let me show you guys how easily we can take the skin off the beets now that they've been pressure steamed. So here you go. In a matter of 30 seconds, I've chopped up those 2 beets into these beautiful cubes. Look at this, you guys. They look like jewels. And this can be stored easily in the fridge for different recipes. And I'm going to show you in my next series how to make a quick Mediterranean salad.